It's Explained Simply here, and today I'm going to go over the NovTech LED outdoor string lights that I ordered from Amazon. They came in yesterday in this box, and actually it says, what does it say there in red? Fragile?
Fragile, handle with care.
But the box came in another box, so it was absolutely safe, and we've already taken it out of the outer box, and now my son, who has his own YouTube channel. His channel is King Jimmy, but he's helping me with my video today, with my unboxing. And the reason we're out here is because this is where we're gonna hang the outdoor lights. We're actually outside. What did it do yesterday? It was actually snowing yesterday, but today it's pretty nice.
The day before last, no. Yesterday?
And,
night.
but we're getting ready for Easter, even though it was snowing, and today is the first day of spring. So they give you directions. You go ahead and put those aside.
I'll put that behind me.
Okay, and they come in this box, and go ahead and pull out the lights, Jimmy, and so we can see one close up.
It has like silver or like goldish bars in them.
Oh, that's gonna look beautiful when it's
And
lit
there's
up.
multiple like clear things, and I think those are the lights.
Nice.
And I see some gold, so I think it's gonna be yellow.
So what we'll do is, after we hang these up, we will show you how these look lit up at night.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's get a close-up of the bulb. Can you bring one here and bring it right in front of the camera? Why don't you, oh, they give you a spare bulb. Up, 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 perfect. Yes, that's the bulb. How many extras do they give you?
3.
Okay,
So
and you have to do it, I can't, 3, there's my fingers. Okay, and go ahead and back up and tilt the box to show us how they come in packaged.
So
You already pulled some of them out, but if you tilt the box, I'll zoom in.
they come in.
Oh, lift the box and tilt it up so everyone can see how they come packaged.
I don't want them falling out.
Right, but go ahead and tilt a little bit. Oh, yep, each bulb was in its own little space. So it's protected. But now go ahead and grab them out. And while you're grabbing them out, why don't you throw me the directions so I can see if there's anything we need to do special to hook these up.
Okay.
See how your toss is. Toss it all the way over here. Yes, you made it. Okay, and go ahead and get that all the way out of the box.
Okay. I'm gonna get down on the ground.
Oh, number of light bulbs, 30.
Oh,
Yeah, 30 light bulbs, nice.
my shoe came untied.
And these are perfectly safe for outdoors because it says outdoor use, yes.
Oopsie daisies.
Yep, back in your chair where you belong. Yep. Actually, the directions are not that complicated
I nearly
because
fell with the bulbs.
yeah, that's not safe.
Yeah, that's night.
Because even though it looked like there was a lot of directions, let me see, a lot of directions.
There's a lot of reading, but it's
No,
pretty
not
easy.
really, because it's in like 5 different languages.
Yeah.
So the part that you have to read is very little when you get to your own language.
Yep, I got them all out. Except for this guy and this guy. Yeah, they're all
You know why they're so pretty?
Why?
Because they're for decoration. They're not actually to like light up your house, to read by their light or anything else. They're
I
decorative
definitely
light.
knew that.
Okay. And it is going to look so beautiful while we're hanging out in our chairs on our
Hopefully
deck.
it looks very good.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll be the judge of that. So here's our directions. Position with great care in your desired location. Connect to the main supply and switch on.
Okay.
These are highly energy efficient and have a lifespan far greater than that of ordinary filament bulbs, which is why I said LED are the best. Now, go ahead and take them completely out of the box.
Don't throw the box away.
No, you might
It
want
has the extra bulbs.
the extra bulbs, and if you want to store them back. So why don't you go ahead and leave the extra bulbs, take
I'll
the
just
box out.
Carefully put them on the ground.
Okay.
And then take this.
And put that on the table. And what do you think you should do? Is there a, if you find the plug, hold it up.
I found the plug.
What's on the other end? If you get all the way to the other end of the bulb.
I have no idea. I can't.
Okay.
It's all tangled.
So you tangled it up. Let's see what it takes to untangle it.
Okay. I've never been the best untangler, so...
No, so maybe Mom should help on that.
Yeah.
Oops.
Hey, Mom, you want to help?
Sure, I do want to help. Okay, bring them on over to me.
Okay. And I said that...
I'm untangling behind the camera, which means that probably that part will be cut out. And miraculously, the next scene you'll see is the bulbs untangled. Jimmy, grab the end with the plug. And once I get it untangled, no, don't pull. We'll untangle as we go.
When I said I have pizza socks, I literally do have pizza socks. Pizza socks.
Oh, very nice. Okay. You said you can't have fun while setting up your lights. You can have lots of fun.
Yeah.
We can hang out. Well, we usually just hang out here during the day, but now we can hang out during the night.
Yeah.
Okay.
Need some help there?
No, I asked you to hold the end, but
Okay.
you got a little bit sidetracked.
I get sidetracked.
What I would recommend, so your lights don't get tangled up, instead of just grabbing them all out of the box like we did.
Go in order.
Go in order. Just go from the one end with the plug and take one out at a time.
5 minutes later. My mom has totally untangled the lights, and now we're going to plug this in and see how the lights are.
Okay, and we're not going to get the full effect because it's still daytime. But here, Jimmy, come on.
Oh, okay.
Can you hold up one of the ends to show how there's a thing that you can hook up so you can... Okay. So on each of the light bulbs, there's this hook. We're going to have to figure out how we put something up to hook that on so that we can wrap, but we might just not use that and wrap them around our pole and around the edge. Okay.
Yeah. So let me grab this. They're very cool.
So that's why they have that gold in the lights. Look at how it's all lit up, Jimmy. Bring one really close to the camera. Just one and hold it up. Okay, bring it up. Oh, okay, a little farther. There you go. It looks beautiful. Okay, great. And we're gonna go ahead and see what it takes to hang these up. Okay, here's the railing. Let's go ahead and wrap it around the railing.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, I didn't get to see them on camera. Whoa, that's cool.
Do you know how pretty this is gonna look at night?
And it just looks gold, but this looks like it's glowing.
And you know how pretty this is gonna look at night? It's gonna look amazing.
And this is going...
And so is this easy to hang up? Because all I'm doing is what? I'm wrapping
twisting it around.
So
if you have something like this kind of pole, or like one of those poles,
you can just
wrap it around like that.
We have this one dangling light at the end, and so we decided we are going to put one nail in to see if we can hook that up so it's not dangling and dangerous. So go ahead, Jimmy, and put a nail in there, and then we'll see how that hook works that they supply us with on each light. You don't need to hire anyone to do this. If a kid can do it, then you can do it yourself. So we decided to put one nail in so that the last light wasn't dangling, and Jimmy, show how you hook that on. Oh, I'm not even on camera.
So you want to bend it here at the tip and then push it back up. So the hooky thingy can go on, same angle, but down more.
And it won't fall off. Okay, perfect. Okay, great. Thank you.
Peace.
Wait. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. Okay. Yes, it does look so beautiful. And we will come back here tonight to show you how it looks.
Only if I have
Yes,
my
and if you're really talented, people could string them onto the ceiling. I've seen that where people put nails on there and then hook those little hooks to it. And like I said, we're just amateurs. We're just looking for a little bit of easy, quick lighting.
OMG, I waited the whole day to see these lights in the dark. And I'm going to have some fun, sitting and relaxing.
These lights do look great.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a close-up. Oh, that's so cool. Wishing you a daisy day. Like and subscribe for more Explain Simply videos.